Creating stunning scrap metal art is captivating journey that transforming discarded material into breathtaking masterpieces. We will delve into the world of scrap metal, uncovering the secrets behind its lore and offering valuable insight and how to optimize your craft. From selecting the ideal material and tools to mastering cutting edges techniques, we will guide you through the process of sculpting, welding, and shaping metal into extraordinary form. Along the way, we will showcase inspiring examples from renowned artisans shading like unique scrap and create philosophy. Either you are seeing smarter artisans and your eagers to embark on this artisan's adventure. This comprehensive guide will equip you with knowledge and inspiration needed to excel in the reclaim of scrap metal art, where imagination meets innovation. We will develop into the fascinating reclaim of scrap metal artistry, uncovering the secret behind the evolution, the tools required, essential techniques, and diverse style to have arranged from welded masterpieces that pay home to iconic figures and breathtaking sculpture that refine the boundaries of artisans' expression to the eco-friendly aspect to repurposing material to comprehensive guide will provide you too with valuable insight and inspiration to embark on your own scrap metal art adventure. So grab your welding gear and join us to unlock the transformative power to scrap metal and memorizing art form. We will explore the memorizing world of scrap metal art, dividing into origin, evolution techniques, and remark artisans how elevated discarded material into masterpieces. From the humble being to repurposing junkyard friend into articles of metal sculpting, we will uncover the secret behind crafting material into the captivating form of tell unique story. Either you are seen as artisans or curious beginners. This comprehensive guide will equip you with the knowledge and inspiration needed to embark on your own creative scrap metal art adventure. While G makes let dive into memorizing world of scrap metal art. This unique form of artisan's expression transforms discarded dusty material into a breathtaking sculpture and tells story, evoke emotion and inspiration. Wow. Exploration of this captivating uncover of scrap metal art. We will dive deep into techniques, tools, and inspiration of fuels, imagination of artisans, how breathe it into discarded material, into ancient fruit of metal work of modern day masterpieces. We will uncover the evolution of this form. Along the way, we will share invaluable tips and tricks to help you embark on your own scrap metal art and adventure. From scoring material into mastering, welding, and foregoing, you uncover the secret of this memorizing art from where jump become treasure and imagination now on bounds. Poetry is recent here in this fascinating world of creating and sourcefulness. Artisans transform discarded masterpieces into breathtaking sculpture and installation that tell unique stories. Scrap metal art not only celebrates the beauty of recycling and upcycling but also showcases the incredible resent of assembling forgotten material. From rusty bottles to discarded car parts, every piece has potential to become a work of art in the hand of skilled craftsmanship. Explore its story, techniques, tools, and offering valuable tips and insight to help and embark on your own journey of crafting metal masterpieces. This history of scrap metal art data back countries with early civilizations using metals, functional and artistic purposes. However, I was not until industrial age that scrap metal became more readily valuable, sparking the interest of artisans who saw potential in these discarded materials in 20th century like this. Today, scrap metal movement continued to evolve with contemporary artisans pushing the boundaries of creativity and sustainability. To embark on your own scrap metal adventure, you need a few essential tools and materials. Safety should always be a top priority. So ensure you have the necessary safety gear, including gloves, safety glasses, and welding helmet, welding equipment such as welding machine and electron crucible for joining metal pieces together. Additional variety of hand tools such as angle grinder, peeler, and wire brusher. So will you shape of metal to ensure your material? Consider visiting scrapyard, junkyard, or an own your backyard. For potential treasure, keep in mind that different materials offer distinct challenge and opportunities. So understanding properties of the materials you are working is key of success. The process of crafting scrap metal art is a blend of technical skills and artisans' vision. Artisans often start with concept of idea and then source to appropriate material to bring your vision of life. Cutting, bending, and welding are fundamental techniques used to shape and assemble two metal pieces. Mastery of these techniques allow for intact detailing at the creation of larger, more complex sculpture, while so artisans prefer to plan every detail in advance. Other embers of phonification of creative process allowing to materials themselves to guide their work. You have gained experience in scrap metal art, so discovered that possibilities are nearly endless from small sculpture wala to touring outdoor installation. That scale of your creation limited not only imagination. Some artisans focus on abstract form while others draw inspiration from nature, animals and human figures. Choice, style, and subject matter is artistry personal, making scrap metal highly versatile and expressive medium. On the unique aspect of scrap metal, so eco-friendly nature, purposing discarded materials. Moreover, the inherent history of each masterpiece add depth and character to finish artwork to rusty masterpieces tell a story